Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. We will learn how to stop Discord from automatically opening. When Discord is set to launch on startup, it can open automatically every time you turn on your computer, which may slow down boot time or feel unnecessary if you don't use it right away. To stop this, open Discord and click on the gear icon on the bottom left. Then go to User Settings. Scroll down until you find the option called Windows Settings. From here, toggle off the option called Open Discord on startup. This should pretty much fix the issue, and Discord won't launch automatically on startup. If you want to take it a step further, start by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and E, S key. From here, navigate to Settings and go to the fourth option, which is also called Startup Apps. Scroll down until you find Discord, then right-click on it and select Disable. We just learned how to stop Discord from automatically opening by disabling startup settings in Discord and through system startup options. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.